Somebody let me know I recorded the wrong screen the other day. Sorry. All right, so you guys are going to go to Maven. Now, let me explain to you what funded accounts are. A funded account is where you pay a particular amount of money and then you receive the funds from the broker. People say, is it like a demo account? It's like a demo account that you can actually withdraw from. Now, in order to withdraw from a funded account, you have to pass what is called a challenge, okay? So when you're seeing like all of our flyers that saying take the challenge, and we're going to be doing some videos over the weekend that says challenge accepted. All right, because we're taking the challenge, right? And we want you to take the challenge. I really think, especially with new traders, that it's important that you trade in a funded account instead of you put in 2K or 5K or 10K in an account. It doesn't make sense when you could go ahead and get a 2K account and pay $13 to $15, right? Especially until you've got your momentum. I do advocate for you to have a live account, but you should only put the compound trade in your live account. Everything else should go in your funded account. Okay. So, just so that we're clear, this is a 4X account. I am not talking about futures. So, here you can choose 2K. The only thing I ask is that you choose one step. We're not doing two step, we're not doing three step, and that just means like you have to pass the challenge 3 times. Why in the world would you want to pass it 3 or 2 times when our accuracy is good enough for you to pass it 1 time? So if you get a 2K account, you only have to make $160. We made $160 today on half of a trade. Okay. So $160 is not a lot of money. What you have to respect is the $60 drawdown. So that means that your account cannot go negative more than 60 bucks if you choose to do a 2K account. And on gold, you're going to be trading at a point oh 0.01, maybe a point oh 0.02 if your target is 160. If your drawdown is 60, you cannot go into negative. So we will give you the compound chart, and you really need to follow that to make sure that it's right. Now, we know that our trades go into the negative and take profit. So I would not be doing anything on a $60. Are we clear? It's going to ask you, who do you want to use? You want to use Match Trader because you cannot use MetaTrader 5 in the United States. So I will add a session on teaching you how to use Match Trader, but it's very, very, very basic. Okay. And so then here is the 5K account. Again, one step. That's going to be $19. We're going to be choosing Match Trader. And then you have to make $400. Your account cannot go in the negative more than $150. All right, all hearts and minds clear. If you decide to do the 10K account, that's 38 bucks. Okay, Match Trader, and your target is going to be $800. You cannot go in the negative more than $300. And I think that's quite reasonable for where we are. So I would highly recommend that you do a 5K or a 10K account. Okay. Now, some of you, you've been trading for a long time. You're good to go. You want to pay the 76 bucks. It is refundable. Remember that. Match Trader, all right? And then your profit target is always 8%. You need to make 1600 bucks, okay? Your daily drawdown is going to be $600. All right? Now, you can choose whatever you want because you're responsible for your trading. But I'm just going to say, with how we trade, if you're going to be following our leadership, I'm always recommending one step. 50K, 190 bucks, Match Trader, profit target 4,000, daily drawdown 1,500. Okay? 100K, Match Trader, profit target 8,000. Can you make Dr. Kathy host? 8,000, daily drawdown 3,000 bucks. Okay? So this is a really, really simple one for you to be able to do the challenge and be done quickly. All right. So that's why I highly recommend you do one step, and then we can do this on Gold. We're going to call this challenge Gold Rush. Any questions? You can raise your hand if you have a question, or you can unmute. Anything you think I need to clarify, Dr. Russell? Hey, Dr. Kathy, rise
No,
and shine. We
no,
done made so much money, the market only went one way.
it really did.
And Dr. Kathy, there, any thing you think we need to clarify, and does anybody have any questions?
Now, shout out to my brother John. What's up, John? Welcome back to the call, bro. Miss you all,
Thank you,
man.
sir. I'm sorry.
Go ahead,
But yeah,
Dr. Kathy.
I had pending orders set in. I caught all them buys when it shot up, and the sale for US 30 when it shot down. I, I was knocked out. I don't know what to say.
Well, that thing bought to the moon, Linda, and now your best friend Dash dropped down to the bottom of the sea.
Mm,
Um, Somebody's asking, is the funded okay? So the funded account on Forex is a one-time fee, and I don't know. We can find out how many accounts they let you have, but it's a one-time fee and it is refundable. Okay, so just remember that as well. Futures, it is not. Nobody is going to give you a futures account where you ain't paying. All right, that's different. That's a different pot of money. But that's an excellent question for clarity. Kim, are you a member of our community? Make sure you message the admin. If you have not enrolled with your leader, please message us at BFST admin on Telegram. Okay. And we have a full schedule. So we have a full schedule and we drop the trades all day long. Any other questions about the challenge? All right, I recorded it for you all. And then, like I said, once you set it up, we will do a training so that you know how to place your trade. It's really, really basic. And you're just going to press buy and sell over here. Okay. Literally, I don't like the fact I have to keep putting in my trade. So, like, I was putting in trades, right? And you see how they're like at a one? I'm like, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I wasn't trading at a one. So I just realized that. So you want to make sure that you're mindful of that. But you're literally pressing buy and sell. I mean, it's a really basic platform. All right. Any other questions I can answer for you?
they asked if the market is open on Monday.
The market is always open. Depends on
No,
who the
it's Labor
broker
Day Monday.
is. It's going to be
Holiday,
slow
holiday.
because
Holiday.
of the yeah. We know Monday is Labor Day. I'm saying the market is going to
Yeah.
be open though, but it will be slow. It's not a holiday everywhere. It's a holiday here, right? So it will be
Some brokers
slower
won't.
because
They put out
Americans is
they
not
put out something about that.
Yeah, some brokers won't trade the indices or gold
right,
or
and
at
that's why I said it
a
depends
certain
on who your
time.
broker is.
Mhm.
Here it
But the
is.
market is going to be open. You'll be fine.
Yeah.
Your choice.
Monday, September 1st for Top Step.